Hello everybody, my name is Punarvas Jayakumar. I am a chartered accountant, passionate trainer. I have trained over 15,000 CA students in a career spanning of over 10 years. I am extremely excited and fortunate to be partnering with Unacademy for CA Foundation, and I'll be handling business laws and BCR paper. So my dear friends, if you want any sort of updates, anything for that matter, I would strongly suggest you right now go and download the Unacademy app. Just go to Play Store, just type Unacademy and you will get Unacademy learning app and you can just install the same. And if you want any kind of updates, notes, tips, audio tips, video tips, etc., please join my exclusive Unacademy Law channel. It's called PJ Law. Go to t.me/PJ Law and it'll take you right to my channel and you can enjoy important notes, audio clips, video clips, etc. And guys, we also have our exclusive CA Foundation English channel where all the educators and learners come together. This is exclusive English channel, so please join our Telegram channel CA Foundation English as well. My dear friends, an exciting announcement. We have already started the CA Warrior batch. This is a fast track batch for CA Foundation December 21 examination. It is going to be exclusively in English. We have already started. Paper 2 will be handled by me, Punarvas Jayakumar, and the quant portion will be handled by my very good friend and a co-educator, CA Neeraj Mahajan sir. You are gonna love his classes. So we will cover very all important topics, and in law we will cover everything exhaustively, and BCR will do a quick revision. PDF notes will be shared. So as far as law is concerned, it's gonna be from August 18 to maybe since now exam has been postponed to December. We'll also have it in the October first week or something. And exhaustive analysis of paper number 2. Live classes, guys. It's not recorded. Live classes. There will be quizzes. There will be doubt solving sessions and unlimited access. You can watch it anytime, anywhere apart from live. I will also discuss the presentation techniques. I'll also give you revision notes, Q&A notes, and specially curated handcrafted color charts for one day before the exam revision. It is going to be almost 60 plus hours. Sir, I also want to check some demo classes if you feel like that. Guys, these classes are on Unacademy Plus. So unless you have a subscription of Unacademy Plus or Unacademy Iconic, you cannot access these classes. Alright. However, if you want some other revision classes, free classes, if you want free sessions, please download the Unacademy app. Go to the special classes section. Get access to our free special classes by various amazing educators, and you will also earn credits while you watch them. So please check out the free special classes option. On that note, my dear friends, let us begin today's session. So here we are going to discuss document of title and document showing title. What do you mean by document of title? Guys, title means ownership. Title means ownership. So document of title means document of ownership. So there are various things to keep in mind here. So first one, it includes something called as bill of lading, dock warrant, warehouse keeper's receipt, wharfinger certificate, railway receipt, multimodal transport document, any other document. So guys, when the ship anchors, so there is a port and the ship with lot of goods throws the anchor down. It anchors. Then the goods are delivered. Before that, the captain of the ship will hand over a document called bill of lading. The bill of lading will tell who is the actual owner and the new fellow who is purchasing the goods can again change the ownership through the document itself. It is a document of title. Document of title means what? Document of ownership. Document of title means what? Document of ownership. Can I transfer the ownership by just transferring the bill of lading? Answer is yes. Once it is coming on the shore in the port where the goods are delivered, that is called as a dock. Dock. So the captain will also give, instead of bill of lading, instead of that, the other term is also called as dock warrant. He can give something as a called as a dock warrant. So one we have bill of lading, second we have dock warrant. One is bill of lading, second is dock warrant. Then any multimodal transport. Multimodal means what? One document or any goods are being first of all transferred via air, and then it goes by land, reaches the shore, and then it goes by the sea. Multimodal transfer, different modes. Even that document is called multimodal transfer receipt. Rather than keeping it at a warehouse at different places, you want to keep it at a warehouse in the port itself. A warehouse in a particular port is called as a wharf. Warehouse in a particular port is called as a wharf, and the person who looks after is called as wharfinger. The warehouse in a particular thing is called as a wharf, and the person who looks after the wharf is called wharfinger. Wharfinger. So wharfinger certificate means it is a certificate which, the warehouse keeper in the particular wharf. Wharf is the warehouse in the port. So all these things are called as document of title to goods. Here ownership can be transferred if you change the document. If you change the name on the document, ownership can be transferred easily. All you have to do is change the name in the document, ownership can be transferred easily. Right? Wharfinger. Just a little bit of playing around is needed. You can transfer the documents, very, very simple. Transfer the ownership. Wharfinger. So it is the wharfinger certificate. So you see, bill of lading, dock warrant, warehouse keeper certificate, wharfinger certificate, etc. in the ordinary course of business which has proof of possession or control. or authorizing or purporting to authorize either by endorsement or by delivery. So endorsement means you sign behind or you deliver the documents. That means that you can transfer the ownership also. On the other hand, there is a difference between document of title and document showing title. If I tell show your marks card, is it a document showing the marks or document of marks? Document showing the marks. If I scratch your name and write my name, will it become my marks? No. Similarly, a share certificate just shows how many shares you are having. Can I transfer the shares by just scratching your name there and writing my name? No. Share certificate is a document showing title. Your original RC book which was there earlier, there if I change the name through the RTO department, Regional Transport Office, then yes, you can change the name there. But if you see, for example, driver's license is just a document showing that you have a license to drive. Can I change the name directly, scratch the name, etc. and change the license? No. So there's a difference between document showing title and document of title. A share certificate is a document showing title, but not a document of title. It merely shows that the person who is named in the share certificate is entitled to the share represented by it. That's it. He has the right of those shares. But it does not allow the person to transfer the share mentioned therein by mere endorsement. So he cannot transfer the shares by just signing something on the document. This is called document of title and document showing title. This was a short concept capsule sort of a thing. So guys, what are you waiting for? Step number 1, go to Unacademy Learning App. Step number 2, hit install. That's it. That's all you need to do. And go to CA Foundation Plus and check out these 2 subscription plans, Plus and Iconic. I told you the difference. My personal suggestion would be go with the 24 months plan. Why? I'll tell you why. Because with the Iconic subscription, you will get 12 months. There is a combo, guys. CA Foundation and Intermediate. 12 months combo, 24 months combo. If you take the 24 months combo, the good thing is you'll also get time to study intermediate also. So we have the CA Foundation and Inter combo both in Plus as well as Iconic. And dear friends, there is something called as Unacademy Combat Scholarship Test every Sunday at 12 p.m. Participate in the quiz, and if you get good results, if your rank is 1 to 3, then 4 to 10, 11 to 50 and 51 to 200, amazing scholarships. You're getting 50% off, 25% off. Enroll now. The code would be PJ Sir Law. And dear friends, if you go to my channel on Unacademy, I'll tell you more about it. Before that, as I told you, limited time offer. If you buy for 12 months, you'll get 2 months free. Same for both the Iconic and the Plus subscription. But I would request you go for the 24 months plan because you'll get not only foundation but also time to finish your CA Inter. Please, please, please guys, follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jayakumar. Please do that. Please follow me. It will help me also. And you obviously can check out all the special classes that I've released. So guys, as I told you, without fail, please follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jayakumar. If you don't know what to do, go to any of my videos and check out the link here. Punarvas Jayakumar Sir's Unacademy profile. Once you click on that, it will take you here where you will see all my followers. You please follow me and you will see my special classes. Free classes. To enter the class, you just need to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want a discount, you have to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want this, you have to just put the code PJ Sir Law. Very, very, very simple, my dear friends. Extremely simple. And also, if you see here, any combo subscription or intermediate plus, and we have the Iconic for CA Foundation and Intermediate, all you need to do is just pick a plan. And once you say pick a plan, in this referral code, all you need to do is PJ Sir Law. And magic, you will get 10% off. So this is all you need to do, my dear friends. Very, very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friends. Please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon, because any important video released by me or any of the educators on this CA Foundation and Unacademy English channel, you will get a notification. Please like this video, share with among your friends, and also please leave your comments in the comment section. If you want to watch any special class of mine on the Unacademy platform, the code is PJ Sir Law. If you want to buy any product, the code is PJ Sir Law to get a 10% discount. Please download the Unacademy Learners app, and in the special class you can also get all the notes as well. You can download. On that note, see you until next time, my dear friends. Love you all. Bye, my CA warriors. Cheers.